We're going to give the Troy Bilt a start here, the TB230. And it's been about mid-June since the last time this grass was cut here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. It's really got lush and thick. It's 4th of July weekend. Centipede is looking very nice. Walk around, pick up any sticks here. Still got some spots here to fill in. Some runners. Take a little time to get that done. Don't like to hit anything with a lawnmower here. A few sticks. But some nice lush grass, I would say, this year. It's going to cut very nicely. Another place I need to fill in with a runner. So let's give that Troy Bilt a start here. That is Basha's Troy Bilt lawnmower, her gift, and give this yard a cutting. Let's see how easy this will be to start this TB230. Not a lot of gas in here, but I think it's enough to cut the yard. Very nice lawnmower we got as a moving sale with the true variable front wheel drive on it. Okay, here we go. Centipede is looking really good this year. This Troy Bilt does a very nice job. I got me some runners here that I'll cut and plug in those holes. Which is mostly right in here. Also got some centipede that's growing in these rocks here. I'm going to pull this out as well and use that. Don't want to kill that. And Troy Bilt does a very nice job. Very much overkill for this yard, but it sure does cut nice. And we'll blow this off, clean all the debris out of here, and it'll be ready for next time.